Good everyone, and welcome to today's mathematics class. In today's class, I want to show us how we carry out long division, right? For those of us teachers teaching the primary, even some secondary, uh, we need to understand how we carry out long division. Many people find it very difficult because they don't actually understand the basic principle behind long division. Now let us look at this now. So in this kind of division, there is going to be a remainder. Okay. Now, if there is a remainder, you can keep it or you can decide to go into decimal. Now, let me show you how we carry out the long division method. So here, we are going to place this is the dividend. This one here is called the dividend, and this is the divisor. Whatever you are going to get as your answer is the quotient, right? So which means you place your 8, 2, 4, that is the dividend. Then put the divisor here. Now, in carrying out long division, we are going to operate with three different things. Number one, you first of all divide. We carry out division. After division, the next thing is multiplication. After multiplication, you subtract. Let's go. Now, let's look at this now. Use 5. Let us take it digit by digit now so that it will become very easy for us. Now, let's take the first digit here, which is 8. How many times can 5 go into 8? It's only once. Then you put the 1 here. Then use this one to multiply. That is the multiplication I'm talking about. Division first. Then the next one is multiply. 1 times 5 is 5. Then the next thing now is to subtract. That is the third step. You subtract. Then when you subtract, 8 minus 5 is 3. Now the next thing you do now, the next number, look at this next number, bring it down. Bring it down. Which is now what? 32. Now let us use this 5 again to divide 32. How many times do you think 5 can go into 32? That is 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 6 is what? 30, which means it can go there 6 times. You write 6, okay? Then 6 times 5, it will give us 30. Then let us subtract now. Subtract. This one minus this is 0. Then 2 minus 0 is 2. Now let us bring down the next number. This is the next number. Bring it down. If you bring it down, it becomes 24. So we can erase this one here, no problem. Now we have 24. Now how many times do you think 5 can go into 24? It can only go there 4 times. 4 times. You write down the 4. Then 4 times 5 is 20. The next step again is subtract. Now let's go. This one takes care of this. That is 0. Then 4 minus this is 4. And at this point now, you can see that what the divisor is bigger than the dividend. Now this one becomes your dividend here. This next one. So you can decide to say remainder 4. You can put remainder 4 here. If you are teaching the grade 3, you are teaching the grade 4, you can decide to put remainder on that place. So if you are teaching grade 7, grade 8, so we can decide to go into decimal. So let us remove the remainder here. What you do now, we cannot go again. You add 0 in front of 4. Because of the addition of this 0 here, you are going to put your decimal there. Now let's go. Take 5 to divide 40 now. 40 divided by 5. 5 goes here, it will. How many times? 8 times. So 8 times 5 is 40. So here it becomes 0, 0. So at this point where we have zeros, it means our division has ended. But if it doesn't terminate, you keep on dividing, then you can decide to stop at a point. Then you have approximate value because we have a not terminating decimal. So this is how we carry out long division. Whether be it a very large number, whether it involves decimal number, you keep on dividing until you obtain something like this. Remember, I told you the first step, you what? First of all, divide. Then after division, you multiply, you subtract. Then you move on to the next one. That's how we do it. All right? See you next time.